Good morning to all. We are going to start session number 7 of the Word Power Made Easy. We explored in this chapter the ideas behind the people's occupations and the words that translate these ideas. For example, behavior. Now, if somebody is studying your behavior, what people act, how do they think, what they have certain feeling, why they have personalities be formed like introvert personality, extrovert personalities, ambivert personalities, why they form this kind of personality. So if somebody is expert in understanding and studying the human behavior, he is known as psychologist. So PSHYCHOLOGIST, psychologist. So if somebody is expert in understanding the human behavior, he is known as psychologist. Second, worries, fear and conflict. A person is reviewing your experience, your traumas, feeling and thoughts, and arriving treatment to you by listening to you. So if a person is understanding what is going on in your mind, if there is a feelings, there is a thoughts or a trauma, and he will give you a time to listen to you carefully, and from your discussion, the way you are telling him your experience, he can analyze your behavior. So he is known as psychoanalyst. Teeth. A practitioner who is expert in straightening the teeth. Some people has a teeth, but the teeth is not in a proper order. They are not straight. Or rather, some teeth are inside, some teeth are outside. So it is a very uneven way that the teeth are there. So someone who is going to make it straight, make it in a proper shape, that practitioner is known as orthodontist. Because here orthodontist is from two words, ortho and dontist. Ortho means to straight something or to correct something, and dontist means something related to tooth. So straightening the tooth is known as orthodontist. Next, eye. If somebody is measuring your vision, that how far you can read and how well you can read, and suggest you a glass, is known as orthometrics. So here ortho and metrics. Metrics means measurement. So if somebody is checking your measurement, that expert is known as orthometrics. Glasses. A person who prepares your glass is known as optician. Bones, blood vessels. Straightening the bones by massaging and giving pressure of displaced bones on nerves and blood vessels is known as osteopath. Osteopath. Osteo plus path. So OSTEO and PATH. Osteopath. Joints and articulation. Articulations of body parts especially connected to the spinal column. So this is your spinal column, this is your head, and below head there is a spinal column. So if somebody is taking care of this, anything related to this spinal column, he is known as chiropractor. Now, feet. A practitioner who treats minor foot ailments. So this is your foot, and if there is a corn over here or a cellulose or fallen or any pain related to foot, that person is known as podiatrist. Podiatrist means a person who is taking care of your foot, because body means paddle. It is related to foot. Writing. These practitioners analyzing handwriting to determine character. For example, if you are signing like this, and if somebody wants to check my personality based on this signature, then that person is known as graphologist. So this graphologist will understand what type of person he is, what type of attitude he is having, and whether he is stubborn or mingling with the person. So based on your handwriting or your signature, they will tell you about your personality. That person is known as graphologist. Getting old. This social scientist deals with financial, sexual, social, retirement and other non-medical problem of elderly, because when a person is getting old, so he may have all these kind of problems. That person is known as gerontologist. Now, can you work with the words? Number 1, psychologist. Psychologist is taking care of the human behavior. Psychoanalyst. Psychoanalyst means unconscious. Orthodontist. Orthodontist is related to teeth. Optometrics is related to vision. Optician is lenses and optical instrument. Osteopath means bones and blood vessels. Chiropractor means something related to the joint of spine. Podiatrist is related to the feet. Graphologist is for handwriting. And gerontologist is related to the problem of aging. A psychologist must also have a physician. No, psychologist is just dealing with the emotions and thoughts. So there is nothing physical checking involved in it. So no. Psychoanalyst follows the Freudian technique. Yes, Freudian is a psychologist, and there is a lot of theory available of the Sigmund Freud. So a psychoanalyst is expert in Sigmund Freud theory. Orthodontist prescribes and fits glasses. Of course, yes. Optometrist prescribes and fits glasses. Correct. Opticians may prescribe glasses. No. Osteopath may use massage and other manipulative technique. Yes. Osteopath means somebody who is massaging and making you strong. Your bones will become stronger. So that person is known as osteopath. Chiropractor as a medical degree. No. Chiropractor doesn't have a medical degree, but he is taking care of the spinal related joints. Podiatrist may perform major surgery. Podiatrist is just taking care of your feet, and in feet you have a corn problem or a ache problem. So there is a very minor surgery if it is there. So no, he is not doing any major surgery. Graphologist analyzing the character from the handwriting. Of course, if you put a signature, then the graphologist will study your signature, study your handwriting, and let you know what type of person you are. Gerontologist is interested in non-medical problems of adolescents. Of course, gerontologist is related with the non-medical problem, but not adolescents, but for the aged people. Can you recall the words dwells into unconscious? So that is known as psychic or psychology. Use either message and manipulations or other standard medical procedures to treat illness. So massages means osteopath. Take care of minor ailments of feet, podiologist. Straightening means ortho, teeth means dentist. Analyzing the handwriting, graphologist. Grinds, lens and sells optical goods, then that person is optometrist. Deals with the non-medical problem of aging, gerontologist. Manipulate articulates connected to the spinal column is chiropractor. Studies and explains human behavior, psychologist. Measures vision and prescribe glass, optometrics, or you can say optician. So here we are ending part number 7 or session number 7 of the word power medicine. I am going to put the PDF in the description box. You have to download the PDF file, and in the PDF file most of the items are vacant, means all these columns are vacant. You have to fill up the columns. So either you watch the video first and fill up the PDF file, or you can fill up the PDF file first and then you see the video, whatever the way you are convenient. So here we are ending the session number 7. Now we are going to start session number 8. Thank you.